Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Dogecoin. If you guys have not been paying attention to the whole cryptocurrency market in the past 48 hours, let's just say there is a huge pullback that we need to talk about. Before we get into it though, I do want to mention Dogecoin. Today we're going to be talking about something very important, but again, I highly recommend you guys understand it fully before you make up your statement. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on it so everyone can find out about the incredible side of Dogecoin. Decide to buy into the token, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart and talk about something very interesting about Dogecoin. You guys know your boy does not like to always sugarcoat it. I like to be honest with you. Now if we decide to look at the trend it has started to form, you can see this higher high was obviously higher than the next one, and this lower low was obviously lower than this one, or very similar. If we go the other way, you can also see from this lower low we did come down, clearly indicating that Dogecoin has started to form a downtrend on the 1 hour chart. But what is interesting that a lot of people are not actually catching on to is Dogecoin is not the only cryptocurrency that is on a downtrend, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, anything you actually think of right now. All the cryptos have had a massive pullback in the past 2 to 3 days, which is close to 48 to 72 hours. And the massive reason behind that, as we have talked about before, it's because of the big liquidation or the big trade starting to actually get liquidated, and now the whole market is having a strong pullback. Now at this moment we can suggest that Dogecoin is on a downtrend and it has broken the strong support which all of us were expecting it to actually bounce back from, which was close to 23. Now the next massive support for Dogecoin at the moment is going to be close to 20 cents. I know it seems very far-fetched, but it can start recovering. Again, technical analysis does not always give you the exact details in terms of what is going to happen, but if we look at the previous, if we decide to go into the 4 hour chart and decide to look at the previous supports that we have played off, you will be able to see that the big support that we are always able to get off is close to 20 cents. So right here you guys can see, so there was a huge pullback which was actually about 2 months ago, but again we did have a recovery from 20 cents, and also over here we can see that there was another strong zone that we were able to play off. So at the moment 20 cent is going to be the strong support that we will be able to play off unless the whole cryptocurrency market starts making a recovery. There is a lot of news that have come out towards the cryptocurrency market in the past 3 to 4 days. That's why there is just so much volatility in the market, and you can see on the RSI line we have started to see a very strong oversold zone. So maybe the whales might decide to buy in around this time and probably try to help Dogecoin have a strong recovery, or we can have a pullback. Just make sure you guys are ready. As I always say, do your risk management and then decide in terms of what is going to be good for you. There is a lot of things that can actually end up happening, like this could completely go off and then it can just completely start climbing back up again, including Bitcoin and everything. But at the moment the strong support that we need to play off is 23 cents, but if we break below that one it is going to be close to 20 cents that we will be playing off. Also you can see that the symmetrical triangle that was actually forming has been completely shattered for now. Maybe we can be able to make the recovery and then this zone will be neglected. As you guys can see, this point is the point which actually took completely out of the symmetrical triangle, but if it actually went on, maybe right now we would be in a strong uptrend for Dogecoin if everything went along with the plan. Now everything is not just bad, don't worry. Today I'm not here just to tell you guys bad news about Dogecoin. There is a lot to cover, and before we get into it, if you guys have not already smashed a like on the video, make sure you do so. Now moving on, this article that was actually posted by CoinQuora, it said meme coins are slowly dominating the crypto space, and here is why. 2021 is a year of meme coins. Meme coins are highly volatile in the nature. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Doge, Elon Musk are some of the most popular meme coins. As you guys know, Shiba Inu and everything is climbing up very quickly. So maybe meme tokens will not even follow the trend of Bitcoin and decide to just follow its own trend. If Elon decides to make a tweet saying Dogecoin is the future, here we go, completely broken out of the trend, and most likely we will just start climbing up very quickly. So overall, meme tokens, again, at heart, Dogecoin is still a meme token. Yes, there has been so many updates that have changed the plan and everything towards the Dogecoin, but at the moment we just need the volatility to slow down and slowly start climbing back up. Now, talking about something else which was posted by you today, Dogecoin adaptation is likely exaggerated, says Australian Central Bank. So Australian Central Bank actually decided to go ahead and say in their statement saying, I can't see shops posting their prices in cryptocurrencies or companies doing their annual reports in cryptocurrencies or lots of people wanting to get paid in cryptocurrencies. And that was actually posted by one of the banks which is in Australia. I completely understand what they're trying to say. This is why crypto cannot be widely accepted by every single customer or every single business. I understand that, but crypto can coexist with the dollar, and you guys know the dollar at the moment, the devaluation is insane, and seeing that crypto is able to make you profit while you're just holding on to it, I think in the future it will be much better for both of them to coexist and make sure that both of them are accepted as much as possible, not just one thing that the whole of the world will have to rely on, such as the US dollar or just the euro. We do not want that, and cryptocurrencies would be a great option. Now, talking about this article, that is really cool. So Business Insider Australia posted this article saying the CEO of Binance says he doesn't get meme tokens like Dogecoin, but they demonstrate the power of decentralization. Yes, I agree with that statement for sure. I mean, I don't understand the first bit because he said he doesn't get meme tokens. I mean, what is there to not get? Meme tokens are one of the funnest things on the planet at the moment, as it's making people a lot of money and a lot of fun at the same time. But he told the Associated Press that these demonstrate the power of decentralization. We have a lot more meme tokens, meme coins, but guess what? For something to be valuable, you only need one other person to want to buy it, he said. I mean, that is true. Like, if something to hold value, like gold did not hold value, but the only reason it started holding value is a lot of people wanting it. Same thing with meme tokens. Now, talking about KSI, who's a big YouTuber, today on Twitter, he decided to post saying 52k incoming for Bitcoin, and he's still sticking to his words. Personally, I do not know where we will go, but I do not want his statement to come true. That's all I can say. Finally, I want to show you guys this, which is Doge Bean Coffee. There is going to be the first Doge themed coffee shop opening this Friday in Louisiana. If you're around and you want to go check it out, most likely you should. I'm not in America, so I probably won't be able to go. And finally, just want to show you guys the price prediction. Dogecoin price to provide a potential buy opportunity amid market sell-off. Dogecoin price is on track for 15% correction to a stable support at 19 cent. As we just talked about, it's going to be close to 20 cent. The last two Dogecoin times retested at 19.6, a 70% upswing followed, and a breakdown of 16 cent demand barrier will trigger a 48% correction. Overall, do your risk management. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Drop a like on if you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.